Hello and welcome to my new series, which is basically gonna be called Windows App Spotlight, which is not just Windows 8. It's just basically Windows apps, which I'm basically gonna be showing you how to install them and how they look. Okay, if you wanna fast forward, please do that to just look at the app. It is pretty easy to install. It's basically LibreOffice document foundation. Okay, it's basically like Word, like PowerPoint and all of those stuff, but it's free and it takes about 10 to 13 minutes to download it. And basically, I'm just gonna be showing you the system requirements. Okay, they basically need you to have Microsoft Windows XP, Vista 7 or Windows 8. The CPU needs to be Pentium compatible PC, so it needs to be like that. Okay, the RAM needs to be 256 megabyte RAM, although 512 megabyte of RAM is recommended. Up to 1.5 gigabytes available hard disk space, and 1024 times 768 resolution. Well, although higher resolution is recommended, with at least 256 colors. For certain software, because you don't just get Word with it. Well, they don't call it Word, but you don't just get Word with it. You get about 8 or something. I'm not sure how much you get, and you need Java for one of them, which is called Base, which I will show you later on in this video how you use it. Okay, these are the system requirements. You need to make sure you have those before you continue, and then you go to download LibreOffice and you click on main installer. LibreOffice built-in help, I'm not actually gonna install that because I don't really like the help stuff. It's just, and then after you started downloading it, it'll come up with this. Don't worry, it says how you can donate automatically, but it doesn't actually donate anything. It just says if you want to, please donate. Which I won't obviously donate. And yeah, so I downloaded it, so it's in my downloads. I'll basically just drag it onto here, into desktop, and I will start to install it. Okay, the installation will install it on your computer to continue. Next. Okay. Please select the setup type. Also, will install the default components. Choose use program features. No, I'll just go with the typical ones. And then click install to begin the installation if you want to review or change any installation. Oh, so if you want to review or change any of the installation settings. Okay. So you basically, they're telling you, need to put that. Oh no, fucking cut it, and you basically need to put the installation thing where you want to actually install it. So I'm gonna put mine in C. I'm just basically gonna paste it. Continue. Okay. Next. Typical. Create a start link. So no, during system startup. No. Okay, so just tick with whichever one you want. Now install. Okay. And this may take several minutes. I will pause the video until this is ready and installed, and I will continue on with this tutorial. See you until then. Okay, that's what it's come up with. Let me just see if yeah. Okay, that's what it's coming up with. Installation wizard completed. The installation wizard installed. Yes, finished. And that is pretty much it. Okay, that is like the icon for LibreOffice 4.0. And I'll just wait for it to load up. And the first document is a text document, which should be a Word document really, but you know they don't have the license to put Word document. So it's simplified really. It still has pretty much all of the stuff that it would have in a Word document. For example, if you type in hello, it has like it has a lot of different fonts, and stuff. And then yeah, font color. They just made font color look different on purpose, so it's not actually called copying. Yeah, I don't know what that is. And then you can hyperlink it, do a table, backwards, yeah, which is good. Format, paintbrushing, paste, copy, gallery, navigator, data sources, no. Okay, yeah, this is the LibreOffice help. I don't think it doesn't work because I haven't installed this built-in help bit. Which, if you install it, it'll come up here, and I'll just basically show you. It'll come up here in downloads, and then you just simply have to drag it to wherever your wherever this file is. LibreOffice underscore 4.0.3 underscore win underscore x86. That's where you need to drag it and drop it, where that file is situated at. And yeah, decrease indents, background color. Okay, it's a bit weird, but anyway. Yeah, font, and yeah, in edit you can basically change plugin. I don't know what that does. Let me see. I'm not sure what plugin does. You can export directly as PDF, which is good. You can print the file. View toolbars and stuff. Formatting, yeah. You can insert hyperlinks, as I said. Frames, movie and sound. You can even insert movie and sound. Let me just I'll just show you if that actually works, because I'm curious as well. This is my video, which is getting control panel, and you can insert that. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. Oh, hello and welcome to this new tutorial, which is again a Windows 8 showcase tutorial. Okay, basically in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how my sound's not on. There it is. This, which is the control panel. So it does work, which you might know from Windows. Well, stop it in Windows from here. So this does work, which is pretty awesome. And then there is an autocorrect thing. Table, again, into table and stuff. Spelling, it autocorrects it. And that's pretty much for this. Close without saving. Okay, I'm gonna open up LibreOffice. This is the spreadsheet, which should be Excel. They call it Excel in my normal Microsoft thing. Again, it has that, which is pretty helpful. It adds them up for you and stuff. So it's pretty much the same, but it looks different. And you can again comment. Yeah, you can add a comment to it. Like you can see there's a comment there. It is pretty helpful if you don't have the money to buy this Microsoft Office. If you don't have the money to buy that, you can have this, and it pretty much has the same stuff. Well, obviously some different stuff because it's a different thing, but it pretty much has the same stuff. Presentation, this is PowerPoint. Looks like this. You can add one of these row column thingies. You can write whatever you want to. And then layouts, master pages. You could do the background theme thing. That looks quite good. Whatever you want it to look like, really. Custom animation, you can do that. Table design, and they all look similar. They're not exactly the same, but they all look quite similar. Okay, let me close that up. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. We got drawing next, which is this. How do you actually draw? Yeah, it's not really that straightforward because it doesn't actually give you drawing. It doesn't actually give you to draw like it. Oh, you can draw by pressing that. Okay, so this looks a bit different because it has this bottom bar here, which the other ones don't. I wouldn't say it has that much stuff here, and you can draw by pressing that. So you draw. Draw out of the piece of paper, and then the point, you can basically move that, or you can move a small point. Text, you can add some text, type whatever you want to, so you can make it like a poster thing if you want to, for your YouTube channel or whatever you want to do it for. You can do a poster. You can upload a chart, which is pretty helpful. Charts are pretty helpful most of the time. Okay, let me just close what else is it. Database. This is basically create a new database. I'll show you. Let's see this. You want the wizard to register the database. No, yeah, I'll save it on my desktop and then I'll delete it later. Test for tutorial. Save it to my desktop. Okay, finish. It should load up. There it is. Okay. What you can basically do with it is you can, like, if you want to, if you're doing like you're recording people's names, like Brandon or something, Brandon, and then you could change that field type. This is pretty awesome. I can't remember the name of what it's actually called. The Windows, Windows part. I don't remember what it's called. Anyway, create query. You could create a lot of different stuff. It looks like, for example, if you want them to type field, you could change that to say like whatever you want to. So let's say that says the name, and they type their name. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, so you type that. Oh, I don't know why it doesn't let me, but it's just you could let them tick like stuff, like so they can tick this. You can make boxes, and I'll just close all of this stuff. The not the final one, the one before the final one is the formula one, which is basically mathematics, is to do with maths really, like square root and stuff. Like you can do, okay, you can type a number in there. So if it's 2, and then in there 2, and then 3, 4 minus 7. So you can make that. It's kind of like a code. It looks kind of like codey, like CMD, command prompt. Yeah. This one is pretty helpful. I don't think you will get to use it that much. Like you can do this. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you get to use it that much. But still, it's helpful to have it because you might need to use it. Okay, the last thing there is to know about LibreOffice is basically templates. You can import templates from anywhere really that you find a template on their website or from anywhere. And if this tutorial was successful or helped you out, please comment. If I missed out something, please comment, and like and subscribe for more of these types of tutorials, gameplays, any types of videos really. I'll see you in my next channel. See you.